Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project in Python, and in this project we're going to make so that we can find factorial of a number. So first of all we'd like to do is import mass. That's the most important thing. We have to import mass. Yep, now we imported mass. Now we have to create a new variable, for example num, which we will insert like input. We write integer int because it has to be an int. Then we open up another brackets and write input, open up brackets with strings. Strings, fire here too. The mistake, yeah. Input, and here we write enter a number, close up string and brackets, and another bracket because of integer. Now let's create another variable called factorial. Now we have to do is factorial equals mass dot factorial, open up brackets and write here num, close up brackets. Now all we have to do is just print it. Print, as always we write f, then open up strings and write the factorial is, open up this bracket because we write f so that we can change from, so that the variable is not written there. Num is colon, and we can write the colon here, then open up another bracket and write factorial. Here we should write factorial of. Here close this bracket and close this bracket, also close the string. Now when we run it and write a number, for example 4, the factorial of 4 is 24. For example 100, factorial of 100, whoa, is all of this. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.